In this module, we will be looking at the strategy builder. We can add a leg through the addition sign, set our parameters and save the strategy. We could also edit and delete an existing leg through these icons present here respectively. To change the multiplier, simply click on this toggle over here. Under the stats table, we find the various insights for a particular strategy. To view the margin breakdown of each leg, simply click on this drop down button over here. We could also view the option Greeks and the profit and loss for a particular strategy through the table present over here. To infer more data from the payoff graph, simply hover over the chart. We could also add the open interest graph or the implied volatility graph through these toggles present over here. To view the option chain of the underlying, simply click on the tab here. We could also use the Surface tab to build a strategy. To do so, simply click on either buying an option or selling an option, and the same shall be reflected on your strategy header over here. And that's how we conclude our strategy builder.